Welcome back to the Ruck Shop's YouTube channel. In today's video we're going over the Ncy Cdi jumper harness. This harness is if you already have an Ncy Cdi and you want to still keep the kill switch function. Before there wasn't an option for anything like this. Now we've made this jumper harness that will completely plug into your factory setup. Goes right into your right hand control. You have your power and ground source. In between those two right there, you can go ahead and plug it in, clean up the harness a little bit, and still have your factory features. This was not an option before. We've made this harness. Now it's going to work as that function and help clean it up. And we've read and heard your guys' comments on the Ncy Cdi and things that you didn't like about it, as opposed to, not having a kill switch and not being fully plug and play. So with this, if you've already had your CDI, this is the best option so you can still have your factory kill switch. So we'll go ahead and put this on the bike right now that already has a CDI on it, wired in the old way. So again, this is obviously not how your bike is going to look. This is how the Ncy Cdi is currently installed on your bike, which is how most are. You have the blue service port wire plugged in. You have your green going to the negative of the ground. Your red wire is going to the black relay that has a little blue clip. The orange and yellow wire are going to the ECU where you had spliced the wires for. And then you have your red CDI box. So now with our clip, which I've already made this easy to disassemble for you here. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove that blue crimp clip so that your red power wire is gone. And then you're going to remove the ground here. Unplug this from the Ncy harness. You will now take our jumper harness here. You're going to plug the red and green together, like so. Take the ground wire, put it to the negative of the battery, just like you did beforehand. And then from there, this is going to go over to the right control. So we'll go ahead and change the camera angle, get you a little bit closer so you can see. So now, with your battery box off, you'll go over to your right control here, disconnect the plug. It's a 4-pin plug. You'll go ahead and bring the jumper clip over. You'll plug in one side, and then plug in the other. Now, you don't have to leave your harness like this. You can find a way for it to be hidden more, of course. This is just for the video purposes. So now it's plugged in. So as we mentioned before, this is going to allow you to still have your kill switch now on the Ruckus. We know that some of you have complained, hey, I'd still like to keep my kill switch. This way now you are able to, and you're able to make this a complete plug and play. If you had already bought the CDI brand new, we have another video for it that you can watch, because you won't necessarily be doing this unless you want a cleaner look instead of running this wire all the way underneath to the coil. So now we'll go ahead and put the button in running position. Go ahead and turn the ignition on. Grab the brake lever, start button. Bike's running now. Here you go. Just like that, kill switch still works. And you can turn the ignition off, pull your key out, you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep posting more videos as more new product is released.